Hi there, students. The wherewithal. Okay, the wherewithal is an uncountable noun. It talks about the means necessary to accomplish some task. The ability and the means. Particularly though, we use this with money. And I think it's also particularly common in the negative. I don't have the wherewithal. So I don't have the wherewithal to eat at that restaurant. I don't have enough money. But it's not always talking about money. I'd really like to help you with your project, but I don't have the wherewithal. Maybe I'm not smart enough, or I don't have enough time. Yeah, he doesn't have the wherewithal to make a speech. Yeah, he's not a good speaker. He just doesn't have a good ability at it. So the wherewithal, the resources, but very often money. Yeah, I don't have the wherewithal to take you on holiday to New York for a month. The necessary means. The company did not have the wherewithal to survive an economic downturn. These people lack the wherewithal for a good standard of living. The necessary funds, so the wherewithal, the funds, the resources, or the equipment to do something. Yeah? I'd love to play cricket with you, but I don't have the wherewithal. I don't have the equipment. No worries, I'll lend you some. Yeah? He's not very smart. He doesn't have the wherewithal to do a university degree. Okay? He doesn't have the brains to do it. Yeah? So the wherewithal, the thing that that are the means or the supplies necessary to accomplish a purpose. Do you think you could? Do you think you would like to go out this evening? I haven't got the wherewithal. I'm exhausted. Or maybe this month I don't have the wherewithal, the cash, to pay my rent. Many people don't have the wherewithal to buy their own home. They don't have the resources, the resourcefulness, the assets, the capital, or the money. Okay, so the wherewithal. Yeah, he starts many things, but it's clear that often he doesn't have the wherewithal to finish what he started. He doesn't have the drive. I'd like to buy a bigger house, but I haven't got the wherewithal. Most people don't have the wherewithal to hire the best lawyers, and many people don't have the wherewithal to become a top lawyer. Okay, so the wherewithal, the means to do something. Let's see, how formal is this? I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. You could just about use it in an informal conversation, although you might use the word the means or the ability, yeah, or what is needed. But I think you can just about use it there. It sounds very good in a semi-formal context, the wherewithal to do something. Particularly, I don't have the wherewithal for this. I don't have what is necessary. And effectively, this comes from where, with all. Yeah? With all. So effectively, where, with all. So I don't have all the things to do this, and that's the idea of the wherewithal. Okay, so clearly you have the wherewithal to speak very good English because you're watching my videos. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. the wherewithal. Notice it normally goes with the wherewithal.